excited to announce that I'm now offering an online course on building a shaker-inspired table that I'm affectionately calling the Shake and Dip. This table is a combination of simplistic design and sturdy construction that's known within the shaker tradition, while mixing it with a touch of contemporary aesthetics. This is one of my favorite projects that I get to teach my students, and now I'm offering it outside of my classroom. Consisting of over 15 separate video lessons with bonus instruction in cutting through dovetails and other hand-cut joinery, these detailed process videos not only serve as primary instruction, but can be watched over and over as a step-by-step guide through the build of this table. The course also comes with detailed dimensions and notes about each part of the table's fabrication and construction. Over the duration of the course, you will learn everything from layout and board selection to finish and paintwork, while learning tips and tricks along the way. I just hope you enjoy this class as much as I enjoyed making it for you.